this shit crank.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, today you can see I'm in my kitchen and I have a bundle of different ingredients and I'm going to show you guys how to make a cake in the microwave. So if you're like me, you're lazy, or you just really can't deal with the whole baking thing, or if you don't have an oven, or if you want to just make something quick, easy and healthy, this is the video for you, so stay tuned. So guys, this is a cake. I don't even know what type of cake it is, to be honest. I kind of do a lot of mixing. It has banana, it has blueberries, and it also has chocolate chips in it. So banana, blueberry, chocolate chip, microwave cake. I don't know what you're gonna need to create your microwave banana, blueberry, chocolate chip cake. Ugh, the name is so long. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need a
blender, half a banana, 1 egg, some blueberries, baking powder, some oats, some oil, milk, chocolate chips, a mug, and finally some flavoring such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla.
So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put some oats and you're gonna blend it up to create oat flour. So you're not gonna use regular flour, you're gonna use oat flour. Now you can be bougie and buy oat flour in the supermarket, but I'm gonna blend this up by myself. So you're gonna use a cup of oats. You're gonna blend it up in your blender. So after blending, you have your oat flour. This is what it looks like. It's literally flour. You literally just use a blender to make flour. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use your banana. I'm gonna use my ugly banana right here. I'm gonna put it into my mug because this is a microwavable mug cake, and you're gonna crush it out into your mug. Next, you're gonna put your oat flour into your banana mix. And mix it together, honeys. So for your baking powder, you're gonna just like this. I don't measure everything. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not that good at baking. I'm just gonna throw some baking powder in, but I don't put too much. So let's say this is a teaspoon, right? It's a teaspoon. You're gonna put like a quarter of the teaspoon, like a little bit of baking powder in. So next, you're gonna put a little bit of oil in. I'm using olive oil. Actually, I'm gonna put like a quarter teaspoon in. Next, you're gonna put an egg in. I forgot to mention this. You're gonna put 1 egg in, which is great because even if you're being healthy, you need some protein. An egg gives you protein, so that's great. Next, you're gonna put some milk in. You can measure your milk. You can put a quarter cup of milk in, but also just remember, guys, we're chefs. We're chefs, so we're microwave cooking connoisseurs. So just use your discretion. Use your discretion. Just look and see what you're doing and do some pouring and do some mixing and just trust God. It should look something like this when you're mixing. But we're not done. We're not done yet. The fun part is the flavoring, right? So we're gonna start with some vanilla. So I love vanilla. I love the flavor of vanilla. So we're gonna just pour some vanilla in. Like people, like I said, we don't measure over here. We don't measure, we just pour. We pour with faith, right? Now we're gonna put some cinnamon in. Use your discretion again. Just a little sprinkle of cinnamon. A little sprinkle of razzle-dazzle. A little cinnamon. This is gonna be so good. For flavoring, we're gonna add some nutmeg. Listen, come in like I make pies because all of these flavors, but yeah, we're gonna put some nutmeg in. Lastly, we're gonna add the rest of our flavors. So we're gonna add some chocolate chips in. It's gonna like be melty. We're gonna put like a handful of blueberries into my cake. this cake is gonna come out blue because all of my blueberry juice went into the cake, so it's already blue. It's already blue, but that's okay. So at this point you can add something to sweeten your cake if you want to, but I don't want to sweeten my cake. I'm trying to be healthy, so I'm just gonna make it like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes, and you're gonna watch it and just watch it rise, and then you take it out and then your cake is ready. After about 2 to 3 minutes, your mug cake is finished, and this is what it looks like. I've been picking at it a little so it doesn't look, don't judge me, but this is what it looks like.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
This is what your cake looks like, right? This is what your creation looks like, because remember, you are a microwave cake chef, right? So this is what your cake looks like, but it does taste good. The taste is great, everything, but it's just not the cutest cake. So this isn't something I would say you can serve to your family for dinner, or you know, like you're inviting someone over and you're trying to impress them. Like, this is not a cake that you would make for them, but this is a cake that if you feel for something sweet or cake-ish, you can create it. You can make this cake in your microwave. If you want to make it sweeter, definitely add more bananas, add some sugar, add some condensed milk. Condensed milk tastes really good when you add to this, but I didn't really, if you notice, I didn't add anything sweet to it. So if you make it exactly like how I made it, it's gonna be a bit fresh, but it's not bad. So let me show you guys the texture of the cake. So this is what the cake looks like with the blueberries, and it's still hot, so I'm gonna eat some. Like I said, it has the purple and blue color of the blueberry, and it's also brown because of the chocolate chips, but it's really good. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know below if you guys want to see me make some more microwave treats. I have a lot of them that I make. Most of them they look a little bit more appealing than my healthy one, but I decided to do the healthy one first because we're in quarantine, and you know, maybe you want to be healthy, who knows. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will of course see you in the next video. Bye guys.